Canada Day is almost here, and whether you're hosting the ultimate backyard bash or just looking forward to grilling all summer long, now is the perfect time to take things up a notch. From casual weekend cookouts to serious steak nights, we've put together a list of summer barbecue must-haves that'll upgrade your grill game in all the right ways. Let's kick things off with something every grill master needs: a safe, effective way to clean the grill. Over time, grates build up layers of grease and char that can mess with both flavor and safety. That's where the Grill Floss comes in. This clever tool wraps around each grate bar to clean all sides at once. No risky wire bristles, no guesswork. It comes with 2 head sizes built in. Just unscrew, flip, and screw it back in to match your grill. And if you prefer something that still looks and feels like a traditional grill brush, the Napoleon bristle-free brush is a fantastic alternative. With dual stainless steel coils and a comfortable grip, it offers a safer, more effective scrub. A small upgrade that can make a big difference every time the lid opens. Next up, why not add a little smoke to the sizzle? If you've never tried a smoker box, you're missing out on a whole new layer of barbecue flavor. This stainless steel version from Jackson Grills sits right over the burners on a gas grill. Just fill it with wood chips and let the heat do the rest. To really dial it in, pair it with Napoleon's cherry or hickory wood chips. Cherry gives off a light, sweet smoke that's perfect for pork or poultry, while hickory is deeper, smokier, and goes great with steaks or brisket. Try both and turn your grill into a backyard smokehouse. And let's not forget those long summer nights. If you're grilling after the sun goes down, the Napoleon handle mount grill light is a game changer. It clips right onto the grill handle and automatically lights up the cooking surface when the lid is lifted. No more flashlight in the mouth, no more overcooked burgers, just crisp, even lighting exactly where you need it. Looking to change things up? Try going Italian. Outdoor pizza gear gives you a whole new reason to fire up the barbecue. Start with the Louisiana Grill's 15-inch pizza stone. It absorbs and distributes heat evenly for that perfect crispy crust. Whether you're making Neapolitan pies or just tossing in a frozen pizza on a Tuesday night. The Green Mountain Grill's pizza peel is a great addition. It's lightweight and makes it easy to slide them in and out without burning your fingers. If you're wanting to go big this summer, the Ambiance Pizzero pizza oven is fast, powerful, and built for serious outdoor cooking. And yes, it's on sale right now at Friendly Fires. Ooni fans, we've got you covered too. With ultra-fast heating, 90-second cook times, and tons of accessories, it's pizza night reimagined. And finally, let's protect your gear. Barbecues aren't cheap, and they deserve to be treated right. The deluxe long-lasting barbecue covers are made to fit almost every make and model. With UV resistance and all-weather durability, it's going to keep your grill looking and working its best all year round. So whether you're prepping for Canada Day, hosting summer parties, or just firing things up for the fun of it, these barbecue upgrades are a great way to make the most of the season. All of these products and plenty more are available in-store or online at friendlyfires.ca. And hey, if you're looking to save a bit at checkout, use code YouTube2025 for 10% off your order. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more barbecue and fireplace content. From all of us here at Friendly Fires, happy grilling and enjoy the summer.